Welcome to the introduction to Amazon Ads. In this video, you'll learn how you can connect with customers through ads on and off Amazon. Help customers discover your brand and products, and grow your business with Amazon Ad Solutions. Amazon Ad Solutions are designed to help you reach your business goals. For example, driving sales or increasing brand awareness, regardless of your company's size, stage, or budget. These solutions can help you find, attract, and engage millions of Amazon customers at every stage of their shopping journey. Amazon Ads can help you reach your customers, understand shopping interactions, and measure the impact of your advertising on your business. We can help you learn how your customers interact with your brand across sites owned and operated by Amazon. Our measurement solutions use Amazon first-party metrics and retail insights to provide you with context into your performance. This can help you create better advertising strategies to help increase brand awareness or drive sales of new and best-selling products. Let's explore what Amazon Ad Solutions can work best for you and your brand. Sponsored products can help customers find your products. You can promote individual product listings on Amazon by quickly creating ads that appear in related shopping results and product pages. It generates ads from your product listings and offers automatic targeting. In just a few minutes, you can create a campaign even if you've never advertised before. If you want to help shoppers explore your full range of products, you may consider creating a store. Stores are free, self-service branded destinations on Amazon where you can curate content that inspires, educates, and helps shoppers discover your products. Sponsored brands can help customers discover your brand and explore your products by driving traffic to your store. Sponsored brands are creative ads that appear in relevant Amazon shopping results and include custom headlines, videos, and images. Sponsored display is an advertising solution that lets you quickly create display campaigns with a budget of any size. Reach audiences who showed interest in categories related to your promoted product, or re-engage customers off Amazon who previously viewed your product detail page but have yet to purchase. Amazon DSP is a demand-side platform or software used to buy digital ads that automates the buying and selling of digital advertising to reach new and existing audiences on and off Amazon. It allows advertisers to bid on and manage multiple ad exchanges through a single interface. It's available to advertisers who sell products on Amazon and those who do not, both as a self-service or managed service. Video ads can help you share your brand message with unique and relevant audiences, and scale your reach across world-class content. You can engage with audiences across their streaming and browsing devices, whether or not you sell products on Amazon. It's a great way to build awareness for your brand by reaching insight-driven audiences across Amazon-owned websites and leading third-party publishers. Audio ads can help brands build awareness, allowing you to communicate your brand message before or during audio streaming content, like when audiences listen to music or news. Custom advertising solutions capture customers' attention and imagination with innovative, tailor-made experiences. We work with brands to develop campaigns that engage consumers at multiple stages of the marketing funnel, building brand awareness, consideration, and conversion. With hundreds of millions of active customer accounts worldwide, Amazon has a deep understanding of how customers engage with products and brands as they discover and purchase online. We offer a full range of advertising solutions that can help you achieve your advertising goals. With our insights, reach, and premium entertainment properties, from music to streaming, you can connect with the right audiences in the right places at the right time. Get started with Amazon Ads by visiting ads.amazon.com.